Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to go ahead and disable Discord audio. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate that. This is going to be kind of an overarching tutorial on how to essentially only get the audio from the things that you want. And I actually have my Discord audio muted right now. By just turning down my desktop audio. But if I want to be a little bit more elaborate and say, oh, I have a game going, right? But I don't want to listen to my friends in Discord, or I don't want to listen to my Spotify or anything like that, I just go ahead and press plus in the sources section, go to either application audio capture or game capture, but I'll go to application audio capture for this sake, and then I would choose the browser that I want to capture or the game or whatever window that I have open that I want to choose to listen to over anything else, and I'd go ahead and press OK. And then when I turn up or turn on the volume for that, any audio that comes from that you'll be able to hear, and any audio that comes from anything else on your desktop you will not be able to hear. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.